Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Shreya Dondial and as always, it is very good to see you. Ladies and gentlemen, 76 years after untouchability was banned in India, it is still a reality that cannot be denied. Today, the storm hit Parliament when Mallikarjun Kharge stood up in the Rajya Sabha and made a stunning claim. In anguish and in anger, he told the chair that the stage he had used to address a rally in Haldwani in Uttarakhand was purified by right-wing organizations backed by the BJP, and this happened after he left. He said he felt humiliated. He said there is no place for Dalits in India. JP Nadda, who serves as the leader of the House, got up almost immediately and said that what happened was unfortunate, but he said the BJP had nothing to do with it. Take a look at that exchange.
बड़े दुख के साथ कहना पड़ता है, मैं हल्द्वानी में पब्लिक स्पीच में रामलीला मैदान में रामलीला स्टेज पे भाषण किया और लाखों लोग वहां पर थे। उस वक्त मैंने किसी समाज का, किसी धर्म का नाम नहीं लिया, सिर्फ मैं लोगों के समस्याओं को वहां पर बताया। लेकिन मेरे स्पीच होने के बाद कल वो लोग, बीजेपी के लोग सब मिलके हवन करके उस स्टेज का शुद्धिकरण करने का काम किए। ये you might have read in the newspaper. Is it the way in democracy? How you are protecting the constitution? That too, I am a leader of opposition.
माननीय खड़गे जी ने कहा है, ये सच में बहुत ही दुखदाई विषय है और ये दुखदाई सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए नहीं, ये दुखदाई हम सब के लिए है। बीजेपी, क्योंकि खड़गे साहब ने कहा कि बीजेपी के लोग थे, मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, यहां राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी भी बैठे हैं और मैं भी पूर्व राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष रहा हूं। बीजेपी डज नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू सच एक्टिविटीज। जो भी बात हुई है उसकी तहकीकात जरूर होगी, लेकिन मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, इस तरह की एक्टिविटी को भारतीय जनता पार्टी कभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं करती है। मैं भर्त्सना करता हूं और मैं भर्त्सना भी करता हूं और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी इसको गहराई से देखेंगे भी, लेकिन आपकी भावनाओं को जो ठेस पहुंची है वो सच में हम सबके लिए खेद का विषय है।
Ladies and gentlemen, caste is a sensitive social and political issue in India. Mr. Kharge, the Congress's senior-most leader, comes from a Dalit family in Karnataka. Though the BJP denied it had anything to do with the Havan held in Haldwani, there was no denial from the group who had organized it. But this group said that the purification ritual was not because a Dalit had taken to the stage, but because a congressman had taken to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the hill state of Uttarakhand, Devbhoomi, goes to elections next year. And sure enough, the Congress came at the BJP all guns blazing.
ये जो मानसिकता है उसका प्रदर्शन है कि बीजेपी की विचारधारा क्या है, आरएसएस की विचारधारा क्या है। इसका खंडन होना चाहिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसका खंडन करना चाहिए और माफी मांगनी चाहिए। ये क्या तरीका है?
ये इस भाजपा, आरएसएस, इनकी सरकार पर, इनकी विचारधारा पर धिक्कार है कि आज के दिन जहां एक और ये तिरंगा यात्रा निकालने की बात करते हैं, खड़गे जी ने जहां पर जिस जगह पर उन्होंने रैली की, हम सब ने की वहां पर, और उसको ये शुद्धिकरण, किस बात का शुद्धिकरण? शुद्धिकरण तो उत्तराखंड का होना चाहिए कि ऐसी विचारधारा, ऐसी सोच, ऐसी नीच सोच जो इन लोगों की है, शुद्धिकरण उत्तराखंड का होना चाहिए कि ऐसे लोग वहां पर आज के दिन शासन कर रहे हैं और कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहे जब इस तरह की बात होती है।
कितनी शर्मनाक काम है ये। क्या इशारा आप दिए हैं? कहीं दलित दूल्हा नहीं बन सकता घोड़े पे बैठने के लिए कहे, मगर हाउस में जितना बड़ा लीडर सिर्फ दलितों का नहीं, देश का एलओपी जो है, जिनकी तजुर्बा 28 साल उम्र से वो एमएलए लड़ते गए, एमपी लड़ते गए, कभी हारे नहीं, वैसे शख्स को भी आप लोग अपनी मानसिकता क्या है आप दिखा दिए।
Strict action should be
आपकी
taken.
असली ऑफ कोर्स दे शुड टेक। हमें कहने की क्या जरूरत, अगर इनको कोई शर्म लज्जा है, मगर ये पहचाना गया है कि ये दलित विरोधी है।
Now, making matters worse for the BJP was Textile Minister Giriraj Singh. He said Mr. Kharge was raising a petty issue and that the right-wing groups in Uttarakhand were merely cleaning up the mess the Congress had left behind. Essentially, he said this was not a Shuddhikaran ceremony, this was a Safai Abhiyan.
खड़गे जी बुजुर्ग हैं। खड़गे जी ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातों को क्यों उठाते हैं? वो सफाई कर रहा था। गंदगी की इनके अथी के कारण जो रैली या कुछ किए थे, तो गंदगी की सफाई हो रही थी। तो सफाई करेगा, उसको धर्म से जोड़ देंगे, उसको जात से जोड़ देंगे। ये उचित नहीं है। खड़गे जी आप बुजुर्ग हैं, आप राहुल गांधी की तरह मत कीजिए, ये बहुत ओछी बात है। खड़गे जी जैसा महान नेता अगर ये ओछी बात करेंगे, पता कर लेते, वो सफाई कर रहे थे।
Okay, but since when does a Safai Abhiyan end with a Havan? That is a question that Mr. Giriraj Singh needs to ask himself. Anyhow, the question also is, was the Haldwani purification Havan political optics or was it genuinely casteist? My guest this evening, thank you very much, Harshvardhan Tripathi, senior journalist. Ratan Sharda is an author joining us on the broadcast. Full disclosure here, as we always do on this show, the BJP was sent an invite to participate in the debate, given the fact that their own leader, JP Nadda, said that the BJP had nothing to do with what happened in Haldwani. The BJP decided not to participate in the debate. So welcoming Harshvardhan Tripathi, thank you very much. Ratan Sharda ji, namaskar, thank you very much. Bhavya Narasimha Murthy, spokesperson of the Congress party, and Dr. Akashdeep Muni is a political analyst joining us on the broadcast. Bhavya Narasimha Murthy, did a Havan happen in Haldwani? Can that be denied? That can absolutely not be denied.
Of course not. Of course not.
Because the pictures are there. So no one is denying that a Havan was held. Was this a purification Havan? 100% it was a purification Havan, simply because the people who conducted said it was a purification Havan. But this is where the story gets complicated. The people who did the Havan are saying that the Havan was against the Congress party. It was against a man who calls the RSS and the BJP a poisonous snake. It was not against a Dalit. How do you respond to that?
How many conventions happen every year by every political party? And how many Havans do happen there? To clean up, according to this Giriraj Singh. Did you see the arrogance in his voice when he said they were only cleaning up the stuff? So every time Narendra Modi gives a speech, is that how they clean up the stage? After their convention? How dare he talk with that arrogance? And when it comes to RSS, BJP wants to distance this particular incident from them. Okay, who did that Havan? Sriram Sen. It's a part of what? RSS. Can BJP stand in parliament and say they have nothing to do with RSS? The ones who are actually calling shots, every decision that is made by government happens in Nagpur there. And they have the audacity to say they have nothing to do with this instead of condemning it and apologizing for it. And it's a crime. Mind it, under SC/ST Atrocities Act 1989, what they're doing is a crime. And still, they just want to distance themselves or justify with this. I would like to also bring up another incident, very similar one. So this BJP MP Ramesh Jigani, sorry, forgive me if I have pronounced his name wrong. When the Karnataka's Home Minister Priyank Kharge questioned RSS and asked them to register as an organization so that they are accountable for their actions, you know what he said? He said, why is a Dalit person questioning RSS? He also said, no one who has messed with RSS has ever survived. Now connect that with this incident and tell me this was only optics and this has nothing to do with, Shuddhikaran and everything. This is their mindset. Filthy, gutter, mindset of RSS and the BJP MPs and the politicians who are completely immersed in casteism,
Okay.
who are
Now-
completely immersed in Manuwada.
Now help
And
me
that's
understand
exactly
this.
their mindset.
Okay, Bhavya, now help me understand this. JP Nadda almost immediately stood up. He said, if
Yes.
this has happened, it is unfortunate. And then he said
Yeah.
the BJP has nothing to do with what happened and nothing to do with the organizations that did it. But he'll still make sure that it is investigated by the BJP president and people are punished. So,
Then why is this
there
happening?
was a regret that was offered.
Then why is his MP Giriraj Singh, yeah, saying that it was just cleaning procedure? Didn't he own it up by trivializing and said it is a petty issue? Is this a petty issue? Do you really think those crores of Indians who have been every day discriminated, everywhere put down because of their caste, even today, although it's our fundamental rights to be treated equally. You think this is a petty issue? That's because of the privilege.
Okay.
Whichever caste this man is from, Giriraj Singh, or all those people are from, it's the privilege speaking of that
Nay,
social
okay.
capital they get because of their caste.
Listen, even if, Mr. Ratan Sharda can come in and Mr. Ratan Sharda will maybe tell you that the Sri Ram Sena has nothing to do with the RSS. But, the point is, where is the proof that this was sponsored by the BJP? The Shuddhikaran was done by the BJP wing of Haldwani. These people themselves are saying they are part of some Sri Ram Sena.
Have they been arrested?
No, there is no FIR either.
SC/ST Atrocities Act, they can arrest them right away. If this has come till Parliament, if BJP really cares about this issue, if they think they have nothing to do with this, why are they not arresting them?
Mr. Sharda, please come in here.
Under SC/ST
It was a
Atrocities.
long speech by the Congress spokesperson. I think they are enjoying the movement because they can create outrage, they can slam people. But truth is that nobody in right mind and no Hindu will ever appreciate this kind of behavior.
acceptable.
Nobody will support it. It is all very clear, not at all. Even BJP has clearly condemned it. And to link anything to do with Hindus with RSS is giving it a monopoly that it doesn't have. So they can keep on talking RSS ne ye kiya, wo kiya. It doesn't make any sense. There are a lot of new groups that have come up who prove to be more Hindutvadi than RSS. That is the new game that is going on for the last 7-8 years. And they make their own ground. And how can RSS control them? Coming to the main issue, having condemned Mr. Khadge's insult, as they put it, Mr. Khadge can keep on insulting Hindus. He can keep on calling them various names. He will not. He will continuously support the destroy the Sanatan narrative. And at the end, there is no issue of being Dalit or whatever. He has been a successful politician, highly respected politician, highly successful businessman
I would like to
with very
interrupt
good
here.
assets.
I would like to
and
interrupt
he,
here.
please, don't.
Bhavya,
Please
ek minute.
don't.
Mr. Ratan
So he
Sharda,
can. so
No,
nobody
Bhavya,
can
ek minute.
respond
Just
to
a
him.
minute. Let Mr. Sharda
As
have
soon
his
as
say,
some-
then I'll come to you.
As soon as somebody responds, immediately the victim card comes out of Dalit. Is that fair? Did the people there who, whatever they said and did, does Khadgeji work in the national politics as a Dalit or as a Congress leader? If he works as a Congress leader and uses their platform to continuously abuse Hindus, RSS, BJP, whatever, so that is fine. But the day somebody responds, the Dalit card comes out, is the way SC/ST Act is being used? Is it not exploitation of SC/ST Act?
No, Mr.
So
Ratan
let us be
Sharda,
fair.
if-
When you act as a
if
political leader, you
Shuddhikaran, no,
cannot-
Mr. Ratan Sharda, please,
Yeah,
एक
wait,
minute,
wait, wait.
सुनिए.
Wait.
If there is a
When you know,
Shuddhikaran
आप
ceremony
सुनिए
that
मेरी
takes place,
आप सुनिए
ठीक
मेरी
है?
बात।
अरे सुन तो
आप
लीजिए.
किसी का भी
If there is a
insult करेंगे,
Shuddhikaran
लेकिन सामने
ceremony
कोई
that
जवाब
takes
देगा।
place, BJP ने करवाई हो नहीं करवाई हो, that's secondary. Should the SC/ST Act not come into play and at least an FIR be lodged?
Who am I to decide? I am not police. I am not a political party. I am not a party into this. You can at any time pull up SC/ST Act. That's what I'm saying. My precise argument is that you can keep on insulting Hindus, you can keep on insulting the organizations, but nobody dare respond to it because then suddenly Dalit card will come up. Does a national leader who has been leading the party without playing the Dalit card now use that card to create a controversy or to create the victimhood narrative? I don't agree with that because he's much beyond that.
But
So
what
that is the way
happened?
the people should be punished. But now because you are being responded to, so far nobody dared to respond. So anytime I respond to Mr. Khadge, am I open to SC/ST Act also? So I should not speak against him. I should not question him. Mr. Khadge's son, listen, Mr. Khadge's son today said, I will crush RSS. He has been saying, I will crush RSS. So if I respond to Khadge, do I become anti-Dalit? Will he pull a act of SC/ST card on me?
But it's the law of the land. It's the law of the land. Untouchability was banned in this country, Mr. Ratan Sharda, in
who is talking
1950.
untouchability? Nobody supports untouchability.
It was banned in 1950. I'm just saying. You can go to prison for 6 months and have a fine imposed of 500 rupees on you if you are seen to be promoting untouchability or practicing untouchability.
So
वो तो law of the land है ही.
I have not denied any legal action against those people. Please be very clear. I am just saying that if somebody can make a political argument all his life, whether it's Khadge or his son, I cannot respond because immediately SC/ST Act will be thrown at me. Is this the way political leadership wants to use SC/ST Act?
Okay. So your argument is that Mr. Khadge is now using, using the victim card here. That he's trying to play victim here.
Because somebody responds to him. So for him doesn't behove well.
So
the
Shuddhikaran ceremony in your
they get punished.
Okay. So the Shuddhikaran ceremony in your view is a response to Mr. Khadge abusing the RSS, right? I'll let Bhavya.
No, not RSS. Not RSS. They said वो उसने हिंदू को ये कहा, उसने हिंदू को वो कहा. RSS का नाम कहीं आया नहीं.
नहीं वो सांप बोला ना, वो बीजेपी और संघ को सांप बोलते हैं, बोला उन्होंने साउंड बाइट में. सर बोला उन्होंने साउंड बाइट में, RSS का भी नाम लिया.
वो लेंगे ना, वो लेंगे. मैंने तो कहा प्रियांक खड़गे दिन रात RSS का नाम लेता है. Now because of this, I should not respond to Priyank Khadge. That is the logic.
Can I?
Okay. Yeah, Bhavya wants to come in. Bhavya,
I will not respond to Priyank Khadge.
With all your logical mind, Mr. Ratan Sharda, what are you talking? They did not respond. They performed a Shuddhikaran. That's why they are under SC/ST.
That has been condemned already. I have said take action.
Point one. Point two.
You want to keep on dragging that?
1 second, let me finish.
So you are creating ill will by dragging an incident for which action has already taken.
Action has not been taken.
When you are
Let them take the action. Who is stopping them? I am saying take action.
Well, Mr. Dhami should have taken the action yesterday. What happened yesterday.
Where is your Hindu Hasta when they looked at Ram Temple?
That is for Uttarakhand police to take, for BJP government that to take, not for me to take. I am saying do take action.
Okay.
But don't try to create a national hullabaloo around it. That's what I am saying.
Oh my God.
But if one of the senior most leaders in this country, one of the senior most Dalit leaders in this country goes to a stage and is on stage, and that stage is purified after he leaves, whatever the logic that is being given by the organizers, it is not an issue that should be raised. अगर वो नहीं बोलेंगे तो कौन बोलेगा?
My opening statement was that it is condemnable, it should be condemned, action should be taken. Beyond that I have gone. Don't try to bring back what I already said. Do you want to say I am guilty? Do you want to say RSS is guilty? You want to say अभी मैं जाता हूँ उसको फांसी पे चढ़ाता हूँ? Is that what you want to tell me? Is that what you want to tell me?
Shreya.
Okay, now let Bhavya respond, then we'll get the others in.
Ratan Sharda, so because you condemned an act before as a disclaimer and then you justify the act, does it make it right? How dare
I am not justifying, I am questioning Mr. Khadge's way of
you
putting it.
shouldn't make logical
I am questioning Mr. Khadge's way of putting it, so tomorrow nobody questions him. No, nobody stands up to him. I am now feeling threatened. I am now feeling threatened. Now I am feeling threatened that if I respond to Mr. Priyank Khadge, I will also be pulled up for questioning a Dalit. So does Mr. Priyank Khadge work as a minister, as a Dalit or as a minister when he takes action against RSS?
Akashdeep Muni is saying that you are justifying what happened. Ek minute. Akashdeep Muni is saying you are justifying what happened. First, Mr. Sharda, you said that if Mr. Khadge gets a response, then he pulls up the victim card. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप ये बात बोल रहे हैं. अब आप बोल रहे हैं कि I am feeling threatened. I think Mr. Muni is saying that you here are justifying what happened in Haldwani. Go ahead, Mr. Muni, and then I'll let Mr. Sharda respond.
Okay. Shreya ji, problem is not on the what BJP is saying or not saying. Problem is with the thought process of Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS. We all know what happened when Akhilesh Yadav left his home, and also Shuddhikaran was performed there by Gorakhpur Mutt people, called by Yogi ji, where on the house where Akhilesh Yadav was staying. It is in public domain. Everybody can go to Google and check it. The videos are in public. What happened then? What happened recently when this person, some Pandey from Ram Sena, comes on television and says that we performed for sanctifying the place and for sacred reasons because Mr. Khadge visited it. What it means? This is their casteist people.
No, they are
And
saying
what
they are
happened
saying they
in
purified
Bhopal?
it not because Mr. Kharge is Dalit. Well, they didn't say it because that question wasn't asked. But they said that we did it to purify it from people who constantly abuse Hindu religion and the RSS.
No.
This is this is a purification because the Congress came here, not because the Dalit came here. This is their argument. I'm just giving you their argument.
I'll tell you. In Bhopal and in Madhya Pradesh in 2023, when Bharatiya Janata Party people urinated on Dalits, where was that time also something of this sort happened? देखें कि भाई क्योंकि वो कांग्रेस सपोर्टर थे इसलिए हम यूरिनेट करेंगे उनके ऊपर. The video is in public domain. एक बार नहीं 2 बार एक एमएलए शर्मा जी थे, एक एमएलए शुक्ला जी थे जिनके नुमाइंदों ने ये किया, जिसके बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी के चीफ मिनिस्टर को जाके उनका पांव धोना पड़ा, पर उसके बाद भी वो रुके नहीं. ये सोच की दिक्कत है. गोवालकर जी ने बोला था कि कास्ट और क्रीड ने हमारे देश को बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, बहुत अच्छा है हमारे देश के लिए. ये इनकी सोच है. कास्टिज्म अच्छा नहीं है, ये बुरा है.
नहीं,
आप कोई भी और
look at it politically.
की बात नहीं होती यहाँ पे.
नहीं, Mr. Muni, but you know the point is Uttarakhand goes to elections next year, and the fact is that no political party in this country can afford to anger the Dalit community, है ना? So why would the BJP do it? अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी कौन मारता है? Mr. Harshvardhan, would you want to come in here? See, what happened should not have happened. It's as simple as that. What happened was wrong. Mr. Kharge was absolutely right to raise it on the floor of the House. But Mr. Harshvardhan, do you think that the BJP actually was involved?
श्रेया, पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूं कि नेशनल मीडिया में फेक न्यूज पर इतनी बड़ी डिबेट हो रही है और अच्छा हुआ कि आपने खुद ही उस फेक न्यूज को पॉइंट आउट किया, आइडेंटिफाई किया. जब आपने कहा कि जो ऑर्गेनाइजर थे उन्होंने साफ साफ कहा है कि दलित होने की वजह से हमने ये नहीं किया, तो ये डिबेट कहां होनी चाहिए थी? ये डिबेट होनी चाहिए थी. जो खबर है सबसे पहले तो उस न्यूज को मैं बताऊं, क्योंकि वही नहीं है, कुछ भी कोई कहानी बना रहा है. हल्द्वानी के रामलीला मैदान में कांग्रेस की सभा थी. इन लोगों का ये आरोप है, ये एक्यूज कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस को कि वहां इस्लामिक नारे रामलीला मैदान के मंच से लगे और इसके लिए हम ये प्योरिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं. वो ये भी बता रहे हैं कि इस प्योरिफिकेशन के प्रोसेस में हमारे साथ कई दलित भी वहां थे. कमाल की बात यह है कि पूरी डिबेट, और मैं बड़ा आश्चर्यचकित हूं, मेरे लिए बहुत सरप्राइजिंग है कि इतनी बड़ी फेक न्यूज सुबह से चल रही है और उसको खरगे साहब 9 बार के एमएलए, खरगे साहब केंद्रीय मंत्री, खरगे साहब सबसे पुरानी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष, 25 साल में पहले गैर गांधी, और उनको हम कह रहे हैं कि किसी ने दलित होने की वजह से ही कर दिया. ये डेमोक्रेसी हम क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं. लोकतंत्र में वी द पीपुल ऑफ इंडिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की हमने, जिसको कहते हैं कि अफवाह, फेक न्यूज फैलाकर पूरा ध्वस्त कर दिया है. और ये आकाशदीप मुनि क्या बता रहे हैं? क्या शुद्धिकरण इसलिए हुआ था कि अखिलेश यादव की वजह से हुआ था? पता नहीं ये कहां रहते हैं, यादव कहां से कब से अस्पृश्य हो गए. हमें तो यादव, वो तो गौपालक है, वो तो दूध देते हैं, वो तो कभी अस्पृश्य रहे नहीं. वो इस तरह की बात करते हुए जब हम कहते हैं तो हमें हिंदू परंपरा का ज्ञान नहीं. किसी भी नए घर में जब कोई प्रवेश करता है तो शुद्धिकरण होता ही होता है, चाहे नए घर में जाए या किराए के घर में जाए. अब अगर मुख्यमंत्री गया, साधु संत हैं, वो अपने हिसाब से काम करेंगे. इसमें संघ कहां से आ गया, भाजपा कहां से आ गई, और ये प्रोपेगेंडा मशीन भी कहां से काम करने लगी? श्रेया, सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये, अच्छा हुआ कि आपने भी एक लाइन में सही लेकिन उसे आइडेंटिफाई किया.
हाँ भव्या, गो अहेड प्लीज. If Century Harshvardhan ji is saying ये खरगे जी पूरी फेक न्यूज फैला रहे हैं तो play the victim card.
Why did JP Nadda say that he's ashamed of what happened there and he has nothing to do, BJP has nothing to do with it? So even he is propagating fake news.
No, maybe he was not aware of the facts, na Bhavya? Maybe he was not aware of the facts.
Harshvardhan, Mr. Harshvardhan,
no.
Mr. Harshvardhan, let me address this.
जेपी नड्डा जी ने कहा कि अगर ऐसा
Just
हुआ है तो गलत है, जो हुआ ही नहीं। भव्या, आपको जानकारी होनी चाहिए, ये फेक न्यूज है जिस पर नेशनल न्यूज, नेशनल मीडिया इस पर डिबेट कर रहा है। ये फेक न्यूज है, और आपको जहां ये फेक न्यूज दिखी आप तुरंत संघ, बीजेपी सब शामिल हो जाते हैं।
He looked at Ram Mandir. He looked at Ram Mandir. Whenever Narendra Modi gives a speech, there should be
अगर
No, wait.
उन्होंने-
Harshvardhan ji, you have made your point. Let Bhavya come in ना. उसका भी response सुन लेते हैं.
उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई-
No need to. Bhavya, give me a moment.
With all the respect-
Mr. Harshvardhan, you made a point, na?
I'm
You are
very
saying that what
happy.
Mr. Kharge did was spread fake news. Now Bhavya wants to respond to it. Bhavya, go ahead.
Two things. I'm very angry at two things Harshvardhan sir just spoke about. First thing, he said it's fake news. You think everywhere a politician gives a speech they do Shuddhikaran? I am telling you, where a Shuddhikaran should be done, where Hindu Asta was actually heard, when Narendra Modi looked at Ram Mandir, everywhere he goes and gives a speech, there should be Shuddhikaran. Second point, you said अखिलेश यादव तो अस्पृश्य हो नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो यादव है। उसका मतलब आपके दिमाग में ये है कि कोई और अस्पृश्य है। This is your mindset. You just exposed yourself on national television. There is no asprusha. With your age, with your experience, I expect that you should have said there is no one who comes under untouchable. You said Yadav don't come.
Harshvardhan ji, now
What's
there
your
is a question on your
Filthy
mindset. जवाब दीजिए जल्दी से. I have a counter question then.
कौन है?
क्यों
कौन है?
भव्या?
अगर यादव नहीं है तो कौन है?
श्रेया जी, मेरे लिए सब वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, हम भारत के लोग हैं। मेरे लिए कोई अस्पृश्य ये जैसी चीज है ही नहीं। ये मैंने कहा कि अगर आप यादव को भी ये कहने लग रहे हैं तो ये आपके माइंडसेट को दिखाता है। आप ये विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले करना बंद कीजिए। एक तो फेक न्यूज पर डिबेट, और मैं बार बार ये कह रहा हूं कि अगर कोई किसी को किसी जाति की वजह से उसके खिलाफ कोई गलत व्यवहार करे, बिल्कुल कार्रवाई कीजिए। लॉ ऑफ द लैंड है, कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई कीजिए। लेकिन फेक न्यूज करके, और जो देश का इतना बड़ा नेता है खड़गे जी, देश के इतने बड़े नेता है, और वो भी वो विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले कर रहे हैं। क्या अगर वो कह रहा है, जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजर थे, अगर वो ये कह रहे हैं कि हमने ये दलित होने की वजह से किया, तुरंत गिरफ्तार कीजिए। एक क्षण की देरी नहीं लगनी चाहिए, एक सेकंड।
लेकिन हर्षवर्धन जी, लेकिन हर्षवर्धन जी, कौन बोलेगा कैमरे पे ये वो दलित थे इसलिए हमने शुद्धिकरण सेरेमनी करी? अब ये भी तो, आप तो सीजन जर्नलिस्ट है ना, कोई आके कैमरा पे ये बात बोलेगा?
नहीं, ये अच्छा आपने कहा। बिल्कुल, अगर वो नहीं कह रहा है तो आप कैसे कह देंगे कि वो किस वजह से किया? अगर वो कह रहे हैं कि हमने इस वजह से किया तो हमें तो मानना पड़ेगा ना।
भव्या,
मैं अगर इस टीवी डिबेट में हूं और मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि अस्पृश्य कोई नहीं होना चाहिए, छुआछूत नहीं होना चाहिए, तो कोई मेरे इन्फरेंस निकाल लेगा कि नहीं मैं तो कह रहा हूं ये होना चाहिए। ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
Bhavya, respond to that. The point is that even the organization, एक मिनट Bhavya, the point is that even the organizers of that Havan that happened in Haldwani said that they are doing it because Congresses occupied this stage and Congresses abuse Hindus and they abuse the RSS, which is why we are doing this ceremony for purification. They are not saying that this was not a purification ceremony. They are saying it was a purification ceremony. But it was an anti-Congress purification ceremony, not an anti-Dalit purification ceremony, right?
Shreya, I have an answer.
RSS and BJP people looted Ram Mandir.
Political party के
That is
खिलाफ
not
तो कोई
Hindu.
भी कुछ कह
You
सकता
did
है।
not hurt
अरे बाबा,
religious sentiments of Hindu.
I am asking you a simple question. राम मंदिर में जो हुआ बिल्कुल गलत हुआ. चंदा चोरी is wrong, but I am asking you about the Haldwani Havan, na?
हाँ, Haldwani
You answer that.
First of all, let me answer. I just asked a very simple question to the senior journalist Harshavardhan. उन्होंने बोला, he said, Yadavs are not considered Asprusha. Didn't he say that on national channel? तो कौन होते हैं अस्पृश्य? Answer that. Your mindset, your filthy mindset, your toxic mindset is exposed on
मैं
a
बीच
national
में नहीं बोलता हूँ
television.
श्रेया जी, इसीलिए बोलना
You
पड़ता है।
said that.
मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि अगर आप यादव को भी अछूत बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो कि संभव ही नहीं कभी। SC/ST एक्ट क्यों आया, उसको तो पहले अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए। आप देश में जातियों का विभाजन कराना चाहते हैं, आप हर किसी को एक दूसरे के सामने लड़ाना चाहते हैं। मैं नेशनल टेलीविजन पर बोल रहा हूं, श्रेया के शो में बोल रहा हूं, मैं कह रहा हूं वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, हम भारत के लोग।
पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आ गया। जब आप बोल रहे थे कि यादव अस्पृश्य नहीं, उनको अस्पृश्य
अभी नहीं
कहते
है,
हम।
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन यही है, विक्टिम कार्ड नहीं प्ले करना है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है।
Dr. Muni, you are saying you have a response to Dr. Harshvardhan. Please go ahead.
Yes. Shreya ji, I don't know from where he hears his journalistic quotes. I really fear for him. But I want to quote Girish Chandra Pandey, and the quote can be played by you also. It's on video also. This yajna, this Shuddhikaran, was performed to restore the sanctity of this sacred place. Sanctity of this sacred place, not political reasons.